Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, consider to watch this video and see how to enable USB or flash drive alert for each time you are inserting USB or flash drive into your PC to tell you whether the flash drive is corrupted or it is infected by any viruses before you can insert it on your Windows PC, before you can open a virus file on your PC. Consider to enable this setting. This will enable you to protect your PC from viruses USB drive. Let me show you how. First thing first, come down below right here. Make sure you click on your startup menu and then make sure you navigate to settings right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to Bluetooth and device. Then scroll down right here until you get to USB. Click on it. Then here, connection notification. Make sure you turn on this button. If this button is turned on already, there's no need of you turning it on. So show a notification if there are issues connecting a USB devices. It's that simple. So if the USB device is being infected with virus, PC will tell you to be very much careful and scan for antivirus. If the PC was not fully connected, maybe there is an error when you are insert it, it's going to notify you. This is very much important things you need to enable on your Windows PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11. Everyone that are transfer file from USB or from any flash drive to your PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.